Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you quit sugar? Sugar, it's everywhere. It's in our morning coffee, our midday snacks, our evening desserts, and it's even hidden in seemingly healthy foods like yogurt and salad dressing. It's no wonder that, according to the World Health Organization, the average person consumes about 19 teaspoons of sugar per day, which is more than double the recommended daily intake. Sugar isn't just sweet, it's addictive. When consumed, it triggers the release of dopamine in our brain, the same chemical responsible for the feeling of pleasure and reward. This is the same chemical reaction that occurs when people use drugs or alcohol, leading many scientists to label sugar as a substance of abuse. But it's not all sweet. Overconsumption of sugar can lead to a host of health problems, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. It can also wreak havoc on your skin, accelerate aging, and impair cognitive function. Not to mention, it can cause tooth decay and gum disease. So, what if we decided to break up with sugar? What if we chose to walk away from the sweet seduction of this addictive substance? Quitting sugar could bring about a multitude of benefits for our health and well-being. It could help us shed unwanted pounds, improve our heart health, boost our brain function, and even enhance our skin's appearance. Imagine a life where you're not constantly craving sweets, where your energy levels are stable throughout the day, where your mood is balanced and your mind is clear. This is the potential reality for those who decide to say goodbye to sugar. But quitting sugar is not an overnight process. It requires commitment, determination, and patience. Over the coming scenes, we'll take you on a journey through a sugar-free life, breaking down the timeline of what happens to your body when you quit sugar, from the first week to a year later. Now let's dive into the timeline of what happens when you bid adieu to sugar. So what happens after the first week of quitting sugar? You might ask. Well, it's not exactly a walk in the park. The initial withdrawal symptoms can be quite challenging. You might find yourself dealing with intense cravings for something sweet, mood swings that make you feel like you're on an emotional roller coaster, and energy dips that make getting out of bed feel like a Herculean task. But don't be disheartened. This is just your body adjusting to the lack of sugar. As the week progresses, you'll notice these symptoms start to subside. This is because your body is now beginning to burn stored fat for energy instead of relying on the quick fix that sugar provides. It's like switching from a sprint to a marathon. The energy release is slower, but it lasts much longer. And just as you're starting to question if it's worth it, that's when it happens. After the first week, the real magic begins. Fast forward to a month without sugar. What changes can you expect? As we journey into the fourth week of your sugar-free lifestyle, you'll start to notice some significant changes. Your energy levels, which once peaked and plummeted with the rise and fall of your sugar intake, will begin to stabilize. No more mid-afternoon crashes or late-night energy bursts. Instead, you'll find a steady ebb and flow of vitality, like a calm river replacing a turbulent sea. Now let's talk about cravings. They've been your constant companions on this journey, haven't they? Well, good news. The intense desire for that sweet, sweet sugar should start to wane. Your body is adapting, learning to live without its regular sugar fix, and you'll notice a reduction in those pesky cravings. And guess what else? Your taste buds are changing too. They're waking up to a world of flavors previously masked by the overbearing sweetness of sugar. Suddenly, a ripe strawberry tastes sweeter, a crisp apple more refreshing. The natural sweetness in foods becomes more pronounced, and you'll start to appreciate subtler flavors. Now on to weight loss. While it's important to remember that everyone's body responds differently, many people experience weight loss when they cut out sugar. This isn't surprising, considering that a single can of soda can contain up to 10 teaspoons of sugar. By eliminating these hidden sources of calories from your diet, you could see a noticeable difference on the scales. And it's not just your physical health that benefits. Many people report improved mental clarity after a month without sugar. This could be due to the stabilization of your blood sugar levels, which can impact your brain function. You might find it easier to concentrate, remember things, and even feel more positive and upbeat. 1 month in, and the benefits are already piling up. But there's more. 3 months in, and the transformation continues. By now, your skin is likely relishing in the sugar-free lifestyle. It's not a myth. Less sugar can lead to clearer, more vibrant skin. You might have noticed fewer breakouts and a reduction in inflammation and redness. Moreover, your blood sugar levels have found their balance. Without constant spikes from sugary snacks and drinks, your body maintains a more stable energy level throughout the day. You'll notice less of those mid-afternoon slumps and more steady, reliable energy. And let's not forget the big one, reducing your risk of diabetes. 3 months sugar-free is a significant stride towards safeguarding your body against this prevalent condition. Furthermore, improved heart health is another potential benefit. A diet low in added sugars is linked to lower blood pressure, reduced inflammation, and decreased risk of heart disease. 3 months without sugar, and your body is thanking you. But we're not done yet. Half a year without sugar, what's new? You've made it. 6 full months without the sweet, sticky stuff. You've navigated birthdays, holidays, and those moments of weakness late at night. But you've stayed strong. You've stayed sugar-free. And the benefits? They're nothing short of sweet. You've probably noticed the sustained weight loss by now, right? Without all those extra sugar calories, your body has been burning through its fat reserves. Your clothes fit better. You feel lighter, more energetic. You're not on a diet. You've simply made a lifestyle change that's paying off in pounds and inches. But it's not just about the number on the scale. It's about what's happening inside your body. Your gut health has improved dramatically. Without the constant influx of sugar, your good bacteria are thriving. You might notice fewer digestive issues, less bloating, and even clearer skin. Yes, the health of your gut can impact your complexion. And let's talk about inflammation. Sugar is a known inflammatory, contributing to everything from joint pain to skin conditions. But after 6 months without sugar, you've given your body a break. Inflammation levels have likely decreased, leading to less pain and discomfort. You might even notice that you're recovering from workouts quicker, or that old injuries aren't flaring up as much. Now, we can't forget about the potential for a reduced risk of chronic diseases. High sugar intake has been linked to a host of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. While quitting sugar can't guarantee you'll never face these issues, it certainly helps stack the odds in your favor. So here you are, half a year into your sugar-free journey. Your body is thanking you every day for the changes you've made. The benefits are clear, tangible, and oh so worth it. 6 months in, and the benefits are clear. But what about a whole year? Just imagine the possibilities. Keep going. Your future self will thank you. A year without sugar. It's a milestone. But what does it mean for your body? Let's delve into the remarkable changes you might witness after a full 12 months of sugar abstinence. The most noticeable change for many is significant weight loss. Without the empty calories of sugar, your body starts to burn stored fat for energy, leading to a gradual and healthy weight reduction. But it's not just about the physical appearance. The internal transformations are equally, if not more, fascinating. Studies have shown that reducing sugar can lead to improved mental health. Some individuals report feeling more clear-headed, less prone to mood swings, and even experiencing a decrease in symptoms of depression and anxiety. The implications for your long-term health are substantial as well. A year without sugar can drastically reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases. Heart disease, type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, and even Alzheimer's have all been linked to high sugar consumption. By cutting out sugar, you're giving your body the best possible defense against these diseases. Perhaps one of the most profound transformations, however, is your relationship with food. A year without sugar is not merely about cutting out sweets. It's about redefining your palate. You'll start to appreciate the natural sweetness of fruits and vegetables, and processed foods may begin to taste overly sweet. It's a complete shift in your taste preferences and a new appreciation for wholesome, natural foods. A year without sugar is a journey, an exploration into a healthier lifestyle. It's a commitment to your well-being that can pay off in numerous, often unexpected ways. A year without sugar can truly transform your health. But remember, everyone's body responds differently, and these timelines may vary. So why not give it a try? Who knows, you might just find yourself in a happier, healthier place a year from now. Let's sum this incredible journey up. So we've journeyed through a year without sugar. We've seen the initial challenge of the first week, the noticeable changes after a month, and the substantial benefits after 3 months. At the half-year mark, the transformation became even more pronounced, culminating in a year of health and wellness like never before. Each timeline segment has shown us that the potential health benefits of quitting sugar are significant and long-lasting. Quitting sugar might be challenging, but as we've seen, the rewards can be sweet.